Creative wood sculpture decor ideas to add natural charm to your home. Hello and welcome back to Kuki Decor, your go-to destination for elegant and eco-friendly home styling inspiration. In today's video, we are diving into creative wood sculpture decor ideas that will effortlessly add natural charm and artistic flair to any space in your home. From rustic hand-carved pieces to sleek modern forms, wooden sculptures can bring warmth, texture, and a unique story into your living room, hallway, bedroom, or even your garden. If you love blending nature with art and want more inspiring ideas for wood decor, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update from Kuki Decor. Wood sculpture is one of the most timeless and expressive art forms in home decor, celebrated for its ability to bring nature, craftsmanship, and emotional depth into living spaces. This natural element offers an earthy and grounding aesthetic that seamlessly complements a wide range of interior styles, from rustic and traditional to minimalist and modern. At the heart of a wooden sculpture is the concept of transformation. Artists take raw, organic material and sculpt it into forms that resonate emotionally. Abstract figures, animals, spiritual icons, geometric patterns, or even fluid shapes that mimic the movement of wind or water. This ability to give new life to wood through artistic interpretation adds not only visual appeal, but also soulful character to any room. What makes wood sculpture especially compelling in home decor is its versatility. A hand-carved wooden bust can serve as a powerful focal point on a mantle or console table. A tall, slender sculpture can add vertical balance to a corner space or entryway. Smaller wooden figurines, when grouped thoughtfully, can create visual rhythm on shelves or coffee tables. Freestanding sculptures bring elegance to floor spaces, while wall-mounted wooden art adds three-dimensional texture that breaks the flatness of painted walls. These elements create dynamic layering that elevates even the simplest of interiors. Beyond aesthetics, wood sculptures also reflect sustainability and eco-conscious living. When crafted from reclaimed or responsibly sourced wood, these art pieces champion environmental responsibility, making them not just beautiful, but also meaningful. For homeowners who seek a deeper connection to nature and value environmentally friendly choices, wood sculptures serve as a symbol of thoughtful living. Moreover, wood's natural properties, its warmth, softness, and organic feel, add an element of comfort that few materials can replicate. The tactile experience of running your fingers over a smooth walnut sculpture, or feeling the rugged surface of a driftwood piece, adds a sensory richness that enhances the overall ambience of a home. In addition, the aging process of wood adds another layer of charm. As wood sculptures mature over time, they develop patterns, slight color changes, and textural shifts that only make them more beautiful and storied. This evolving nature mirrors the human experience, symbolizing growth, endurance, and timelessness. Culturally, wood sculpture has long been associated with heritage and tradition. Emotionally, wood sculptures can trigger a powerful sense of nostalgia. The natural grain patterns, imperfections, and warmth of the material may remind us of childhood memories, family traditions, or old handcrafted items passed down through generations. They bring a sense of timelessness into the home, making the space feel lived in and personal. In addition, these decor pieces often carry a story of the tree they once were, the hands that carved them, or the inspiration behind their form. This storytelling quality adds soul and meaning to the decor, giving the home a deeper emotional resonance. Imagine entering a room and being greeted by a graceful teak sculpture that swirls like a flame instantly. It draws your attention, engages your imagination, and sets the tone for the space. In open-plan homes, wooden sculptures help define zones and create natural transitions. In smaller rooms, they add personality without overwhelming the space. And in minimalist interiors, a single, well-crafted wood sculpture can speak louder than a dozen lesser pieces. Another key advantage of using wood sculpture in home decor is customization. Because wood is such a workable medium, artisans can create custom pieces tailored to a homeowner's tastes, space, and cultural preferences. Whether you prefer a rustic driftwood look, a sleek mid-century modern design, or a hand-carved folk art piece, there's a style of wood sculpture that fits. Some homeowners even commission pieces that reflect personal symbols, names, or life events, turning wood into a storytelling medium that's as personal as it is decorative. Additionally, pairing wood sculptures with complementary natural elements such as stone, plants, metal, or textiles enhances their presence and creates a harmonious organic aesthetic. Moreover, wood sculpture furniture radiates authenticity and integrity. It doesn't pretend to be something it's not. Its natural flaws, textures, and finishes are part of its character. Living among such honest materials encourages a more grounded and intentional lifestyle. It instills a quiet appreciation for craftsmanship and individuality. In modern interiors, where fast design and artificial materials dominate, a hand-carved wood sculpture can feel like an anchor, a piece of lasting beauty that transcends trends. This sense of stability and permanence can offer emotional security, especially in uncertain times. There's also a creative energy that wood sculptures bring. Their forms inspire imagination, curiosity, and reflection. They don't just sit in a room, they engage you. They invite touch, draw the eye, and provoke thought. Whether abstract or representational, they speak a silent language of art and emotion, adding a poetic dimension to everyday living. This ability to stir the soul while remaining functional or decorative is what makes wood sculpture furniture and decor so emotionally powerful. It turns a house into a sanctuary, one that nurtures, comforts, inspires, and connects. In the end, incorporating wood sculptures into your home is more than just a stylistic choice, it's a celebration of nature, culture, and creativity. Whether it's a single striking piece or a curated collection, wooden sculptures provide timeless appeal, meaningful connection, and a natural charm that endures through every trend and season. Wood sculptures offer more than visual interest. They bring a story of nature, craftsmanship, and creativity into your home. Whether hand-carved or elegantly minimalist, these pieces enhance your interior with timeless beauty and grounded charm. From living rooms to entryways, the right wooden sculpture can become a conversation piece that reflects your personal taste and love for organic materials. Thank you for watching today's video on creative wood sculpture decor ideas to add natural charm to your home. We hope you found inspiration for incorporating wood artistry into your decor style. Let us know in the comments, which sculpture idea would you love to try in your space? Like, share, and subscribe for more unique wood furniture and decor ideas, only here on Kuki Decor.